Just got a free snowblower, and this is how it came, in pieces. Beggars aren't choosers. I think she was made in the 90s. It already came with some gas already in the gas tank. I'm not sure how old it is, but it is an oil fuel mix, 50-1. And that chute control is really rusty. But the paddles look good. There doesn't look there's that much wear to them. So there's no money needed there. And the belt, she looks good. Not that old. The idler pulley is rusty and it's a little noisy, so I'm just going to put some grease into the bearing, make it a little quieter. There's no play in it. The lever for the paddle seems to be working fine. Okay, prime it, key on, choke out, and let's see. Well, the choke is out. I hope I'm not flooding with all this priming. But there's smoke coming out, so it looks like there's spark. Maybe there's no, the vent valve is bad on the fuel. Maybe the key switch was wrong, I don't know. Seems fine. What the hell? Just keep priming it, see what happens. Well, there is some smoke coming out of the muffler. Let me lift it up. Put it on its nose. There's an opening for the carb. I can see the float bowl. And she's all nasty and oily. It's probably all the fuel coming out of the choke. I'm priming it. Looks like it's been there for a while. The blade looks fine. Plastic. Most of this machine is made out of plastic. And took off the bolt. Pretty nasty. So I just did a quick carb clean. I only had brake cleaner, so I just sprayed it into the main jet. With the carb in place. The bowl was really nasty, so I cleaned that out. And I just reattached the bowl, and just to see if that helped at all. So let's see.